We can use the Merogram to analyze the quality of any terrestrial, satellite, and cable TV digital signal. We can access it by pressing F3 after one DVB-T, T2 or C2 channel has been tuned and demodulated, and select Merogram. This function shows a graphical representation of the MER level for each carrier of the logged signal, which is superimposed over time. During the Merogram analysis, maximum and minimum values are stored for the MER among all the carriers within the channel, for the averaged MER, and for either the power level or the carrier to noise depending on what you have selected in the advanced menu. Below those minimum and maximum values, we can see the elapsed time since we activated the Merogram analysis. The red horizontal lines on the graph mark the maximum and minimum MER values reached so far. When we press F4, we access to the Merogram settings menu. The first setting allows us to select whether we want to show minimum and maximum values reached so far for the power level or the carrier to noise measurement. The second setting displays the times when those minimum and maximum values for the different measurements have been reached. The last setting clears all the data and starts over the Merogram analysis. This tool is especially useful for detecting sporadic problems over time.